Here we offer basically any retail sales on brand new equipment. We are a Skag and Husqvarna dealer. We also service Briggs and Kawasaki. We're a full-fledged Briggs and Kawasaki dealer, authorized warranty repair. We do anything as small as chain sharpening for a chainsaw and blades on your lawnmower. We sharpen that all the way up to replacing engines and major engine repair and diagnostic work. I have been doing small engine repair ever since I was a kid. I started working with my dad mowing lawns, fixing our own lawnmowers as they broke, as we had to mow the lawns. All the way up through high school, I took a lot of small engine programs, and as I graduated, I went straight into the field working as an auto mechanic. But as it kind of time got farther on, I started doing this on the side and picked it up more and more, to where I started working for another couple small businesses in and around Miami County, where I kind of worked my way up the ladder till I was running those businesses for those companies. When the previous owner of this shop here was ready to retire, we were able to take it over and offer small engine repair from Miami County. There's not a lot in this area and field. The old guys are retiring, and there's not a lot of people coming into this field, so I saw that there was a need and I hope to fill it, and so far it's been great.
We were introduced to the eCommunity loan through our lender here in town, Landmark National Bank. When we had met with them initially for the startup loan to purchase the business, they had told us that the eCommunity loan was available, and to contact Janet and her staff at the Miami County Economic Development Office. So the steps that we took in applying for the loan, the first thing obviously was to come here and talk with Janet to learn more about the loan itself, what we could use those funds for, and just the different steps in applying for the loans, what financial information was needed. The other thing that we did was Janet put us in contact with the Small Business Development Center up at Johnson County Community College. And having that connection also helped us to do the background work, in addition to the financials, doing the business plan for the business, creating the financial projections for the business, just really to make sure that we had all of our T's crossed and our I's dotted, so that we sat down and actually did the process of applying for the loan. We had everything in order that we needed to move forward. Utilizing an eCommunity loan, really, there are a lot of different benefits. Obviously the connections and getting connected to the community, but also having that money to be able to hit the ground running. When you're looking at pulling together a lot of financial resources to get started, we don't always think about things like we've got to put money up front for insurance, for items that we need to have in stock to be able to help our customers. Moving forward with inventory that we want to keep on the shelf for retail items. We have a lot of people who come to the shop needing chainsaws, for example. Well, where do you get the money to make your first purchase of chainsaws? That's money that you don't always have set aside, and having the eCommunity loan really helped us not have as many growing pains as we could have had it if we didn't have access to those funds. And it's just a wonderful program. I cannot say enough about it. It really helped us get up and running with the business. We're very excited about the future of Barn Small Engine. With the start that we got from the eCommunity loan, business has just boomed. We're excited to be able to continue expanding our business and providing offerings to the community.